in my kitchen, my island is the feature. So this was super important that I get like the stone of my dreams. And this stone has to be functional, it has to be easy to clean, easy maintenance, and obviously long lasting. We want our kitchen to be our main area, so we needed to really invest in our stone. So we got some Caesarstone, and the process has been absolutely amazing. So we got one of their salesperson to come at the house. They bought us a booklet to see the different stones. They brought some samples of what we liked. I definitely like between the two.
So that one is the Frosty Carina, and that's the Empira White.
Okay. I was literally just doing a kitchen out of my head and Pinterest pictures, not taking into consideration a lot of things. So, but yeah, we're here now and it is my dream kitchen. It looks like my many pictures of Pinterest inspirations. And finally, the kitchen is done. I'm excited about how it came out. I love it. We worked with amazing suppliers. I will mention them down in case you guys are renovating your kitchen. You know who to contact. The curtain cabinet for all your curtain needs, laminate flooring for all your floor needs, Smeg for all your appliances. And so we worked with Wonga from Splash Coating Africa, Caesarstone for your stone in your kitchen and your bathroom. I am obsessed.